Imagine a world where your idle gaming rig could quietly earn you crypto, while powering Hollywood blockbusters or the next AI breakthrough. That's the quiet genius of Render Network, and it's exploding right now in the crypto space. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Render Network's origins trace back to 2009, when Jules Urbach, the forward-thinking CEO and founder of OTOY Incorporated, envisioned a decentralized approach to GPU rendering. OTOY had already established itself as a pioneer in cloud graphics technology, but Urbach recognized the untapped potential in harnessing idle GPUs across the globe to make high-powered computing accessible to everyone. By 2016, Render Network emerged as a dedicated project under OTOY, with Urbach leading the charge. A key turning point arrived in August 2017 with the publication of their white paper, which detailed a peer-to-peer network for sharing GPU compute resources. That same October, they introduced the RNDR token, initially an ERC20 standard on Ethereum, via a public sale to fund the ecosystem's development. The mainnet launched in 2020, enabling real-world rendering of 3D graphics and animations through distributed GPUs. 2022 marked a surge in adoption, with millions of frames rendered for creators and an expansion into AI applications. By 2023, quarterly usage had stabilized at over 2 million frames, alongside innovations like proof of coverage to bolster network security. In a strategic move during 2024 and 25, Render transitioned from Ethereum to Solana for enhanced speed and lower costs, rebranding the token to Render under the SPL standard. Today, in early 2026, the Render Network Foundation, a nonprofit entity, guides the protocol's ongoing community-focused evolution. It's fascinating how what began as a niche concept has matured into a leading force in decentralized physical infrastructure networks, achieving a multi-billion-dollar market cap along the way. At its core, Render addresses a fundamental inefficiency in modern computing. High-end tasks like graphics rendering, AI model training, machine learning demand enormous GPU resources, the kind used in visual effects for films, game design, or creating AI-generated art. Yet, centralized providers such as AWS or Google Cloud often come with steep fees and frustrating delays during high demand. For independent creators or small teams, purchasing dedicated GPUs means shelling out thousands, only to have them sit underutilized most of the time, a classic case of resources going to waste in plain sight. Render reimagines this by establishing a blockchain-based peer-to-peer marketplace, where spare GPU capacity from everyday gamers or even data centers can be rented out to those who need it. This approach tackles cost head-on, often delivering services at a fraction of traditional cloud rates through on-demand, global access. It also boosts speed with parallel processing across countless nodes, making ultra-high resolution work like 8K or spatial computing far more efficient, and scalability. It allows instant expansion without long-term contracts, extending beyond classic 3D rendering. Render now supports AI-driven tasks, capitalizing on the sector's rapid rise. Ultimately, it's crafting a decentralized infrastructure for compute power, transforming idle hardware into a communal asset and eliminating the bottlenecks that have long plagued the creator economy. Render's ecosystem thrives on strategic alliances that amplify its reach. It seamlessly integrates with more than 20 premier digital creation tools, such as Cinema 4D, Blender, Houdini, and Unreal Engine, allowing artists to incorporate it effortlessly into their workflows. In the AI realm, collaborations with Stability AI, known for models like Stable Diffusion, and Endeavor enables smooth fusion of AI and 3D processes. Further partnerships with Runway, Black Forest Labs, and Luma Labs enhance generative AI capabilities. On the enterprise front, a 2025 collaboration with the Manifest Network broadens decentralized compute for large-scale AI initiatives. Render also backs rendering engines like Octane Render from OTOY, Redshift, and Blender cycles, ensuring wide range and compatibility. These aren't mere endorsements, they're fueling tangible growth from major studios to solo developers, solidifying Render as an essential player in cutting-edge content creation. Peering into Render's trajectory, its prospects are closely linked to the expanding worlds of AI and decentralized infrastructure. Expert views vary, yet lean positive. For 2026, estimates span from a conservative low of about $1.13 to optimistic peaks of $19.27, with midpoints ranging from $2.72 to $16.66. Moving to 2027, balanced scenarios project from $2.38 to $5.78. With potential upside, if AI demand accelerates, but bullish outlooks, we could see $22 or more by 2030, especially with deeper integrations and ongoing GPU constraints. Of course, volatility and competition from fellow decentralized networks pose challenges, but leveraging Solana's efficiency and the AI surge, Render holds potential for 5 to 10 times growth with sustained adoption. As always, thorough research is key in this unpredictable arena. In essence, Render Network transcends being just a token. It's a transformative force in decentralized computing. Rooted in Jules Urbach's innovative foresight, resolving GPU inefficiencies, fortified by premier partnerships and geared for expansion in an AI-centric era, for creators and investors alike, it's a project worth monitoring closely. Are you seeing the potential in Render? Share your insights below, give this a like if it sparks some thoughts, and subscribe for more informed explorations. We do a crypto news video every morning and a deep dive every afternoon. Let us know in the comments any subjects you'd like us to cover. Thanks for joining. Until next time. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only, and not financial or investment advice. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research.